How do you set a daily reminders on the iPhone? So let me show you exactly how you can do this. And if it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you become part of the community, and that way you will never miss anything. Now, more ways, obviously, just like usual, you can do it in multiple different ways, but I believe that the built-in Apple's reminders app can get the job done. It's free, it's installed on the iPhone right away, so you can get started and essentially set up a new list or go to an existing reminders list, and you essentially want to create a new one, right? So you can tap on the plus button, let's type in whatever, and in order to that for in order for that reminder to be repeated daily, you need to click on more options, right? And you can see that this is how you can choose it, right? So you can choose some sort of date, and this is when it will be reminded to you. Then below you have the repeat section, so you can choose it to be repeated daily, but even more options like hourly or on weekdays or weekends, right? So yeah, you can basically set that up the way that you would want, and every single day, and even at a specific time, you can set up the time as well. You can be reminded about some specific thing, right? So that is how you can set that up. I personally like this app. It's working well, especially on my own personal device. But as I say, there are more apps on the App Store which can serve the purpose of reminders. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you managed to set that up for yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope to see you later in the future tutorials as well. And thanks a lot. I'll see you and talk to you later.